In front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Then to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. And to go back to standard keyboard, this arrow at the top left one. Now let's try using Clipboard. To do that, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. Quick tip: if you wanna paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, just hold it and use pin icon in the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. If you wanna delete it, you need to swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and use the bin button. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!